Duaa is an Arabic word. It is made up of 3 small letters, however, a subject that is large and breathtaking. This word duaa could be roughly translated to mean supplication or invocation. In Islamic terminology, duaa is the act of supplication. It is calling out to Allah or a conversation with Him. Allah loves to be asked, and He encourages it. He is angry with the one who does not ask of Him, and He encourages His slaves to ask of Him. Allah says in the Quran, "And your Lord said, invoke me, that is, believe in my oneness and ask me for anything, I will respond to your invocation." Duaa is very important in Islam, so much so that the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, "Duaa is worship." While there are no set or strict rules that we must follow when making duaa, as there are with other forms of worship, however, there are some etiquettes that we can follow to help ensure that our duas are accepted by Allah. In today's episode of Cafe, we will discuss 10 of the most fundamental etiquettes that one should follow while making duaa, in order to increase its chances of acceptance. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, don't forget to subscribe now and click on the bell button for more weekly videos. So moving on, number 10 on the list is believing in Tawheed. The one who is making duaa should believe in Tawheed or oneness of God, with regard to His divinity. Allah says in Holy Quran, "And when my slaves ask you, O Muhammad, concerning me, then answer them, I am indeed near to them by my knowledge. I respond to the invocations of the supplicant when he calls on me. So let them obey me and believe in me, so that they may be led aright." Number 9 on the list is sincerity towards Allah alone while making duaa. Allah says, "And they were commanded not, but that they should worship Allah, and worship none but Him alone." Duaa is worship, as the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, so sincerity is a precondition of its being accepted. Number 8 on the list is asking Allah by His beautiful names. We should ask of Allah by His most beautiful names. Allah says, "And all the most beautiful names belong to Allah, so call on Him by them, and leave the company of those who belie or deny, or utter impious speech against His names." Number 7 is praising Allah and sending blessings upon the Prophet, peace be upon him, before making a duaa. The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, "When one of you prays, let him start with praise of Allah, then let him send blessings upon the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, then let him ask whatever he likes after that." Number 6 on the list is facing towards the Qibla while making duaa. Although it is not compulsory, but it is recommended to do so. As per a hadith narrated by Hazrat Umar, during the Battle of Badr, the Prophet faced towards Qibla, raised his hands and cried as he asked for Allah's help. Number 5 on the list is raising the hands while making duaa. The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, "Your Lord, may He be blessed and exalted, is kind and most generous, and He is too kind to let His slave, if he raises his hands to Him, bring them back empty." Number 4 on the list is having faith that Allah will respond, and focusing with proper presence of mind, because the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, "Call upon Allah when you are certain of a response, and remember that Allah will not answer a duaa that comes from a negligent and heedless heart." Number 3 on the list is asking frequently. A person should ask his Lord for whatever he wants of the good things in this world and the hereafter, and he should beseech Allah in duaa, and not seek a hasty response, because the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, "The slave will receive a response so long as his duaa does not involve sin or severing of family ties, and so long as he is not hasty." Number 2 on the list is, a person should be firm in his duaa, because the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, "No one of you should say, O Allah, forgive me if you wish, O Allah, have mercy on me if you wish." He should be firm in his asking, for Allah cannot be compelled. And lastly, number 1 on the list is ensuring that one's income, food, and clothing are good, that is, halal, The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, O people, Allah is good and does not accept anything but that which is good. Allah enjoins upon the believers the same as He enjoined upon the messengers. Ensuring that one's food, drink and clothing are halal, and that one is nourished with halal, is a means of having one's dua answered. How many of these etiquettes did you know or already follow? Let me know in comments. Before we finish the video, there is a bonus checklist included in the video. It includes the times when a dua is most likely to be accepted. It includes dua of a fasting person before breaking fast, Laylatul Qadr, between adhan, call to prayer, and iqama, that is, when the salah starts, last hour of Friday, before sunset, last third part of the night, before Fajr Salah, at the time of raining, when a roaster makes his sound just before the Fajr Salah time, at the end of voluntary or third Salah, before Salam, while in sujood or prostration, during the Salah. And remember, there are always three outcomes of a dua. Your dua is answered, or Allah may give you something else in its place. Or lastly, Allah will give you equivalent or better reward because of it, on the Day of Judgment. If you like the video, follow us on Instagram and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly videos.